Hello again everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an intermediate lesson for you, and we're just going to be using the basic minor pentatonic shape 1 box. I'm going to use A minor for this example, and we're just going to be using strings 1 and 2 to play triplets like I did at the end there. And all a triplet is, if you don't know, if we have a bar of music with 4 beats in it, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're just going to play 3 notes to each one of those beats. And I'm going to show you some really easy little triplet licks that you can use to spice up your basic blues soloing, so that you can throw these in and it will just take things up a notch for you, that's all. So before we do that, if I can just ask you, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing, as it helps the algorithm find my videos and it helps me. Leave a like, a comment, a share, all that stuff. Let's go to a close-up and I'll show you a couple of licks you can play using these triplets. So these triplets are just an easy way to spice up a bland-ish solo if you're just playing around in, let's say, box 1 A minor. You're just starting to do a few bends and that. This is a way of getting a bit of speed in. So all a triplet is triple, 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 triple. Playing 3 even notes, but the tri is your actual downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 3, 4. 3, 3, 3, 3. So that tri is your downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want your tri lining up with those 4 beats. Triple, 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 triple. So you want to accent that tri, and you can use any 3 syllables. You could use sausages, 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 and now you would be accenting sausages. Yeah. And the reason we're going to be using a pull-off rather than picking every note, we can pick every note if we want. So I'm just going from fret A to fret 5 to fret 5 on the 2nd string. But there's going to be a limit to how fast you can pick that. And there's certainly no way I could pick that at this speed. Joe Bonamassa, I think, would even struggle picking every note at that speed. So that's why we're using the pull off. So we're going to play fret A, pull off to 5 on the high E string, and then play fret 5 there on the 2nd string, or we can play fret A, I just think the easiest one to start with is just using this fret 5. So it means we can just rock this index finger backwards and forwards. Now the hardest part is muting the string, the high E string, when you're playing that 2nd string. So what I'm doing, I'm doing a down pick, then the pull off, and then I'm doing an up pick on fret 5 of the 2nd string. That's an up for me. So down, pull off, up. So we're only actually plucking 2 of the 3 notes, the 1st note and the 3rd note. So the plucking pattern is triplet, 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 triplet. So we're only plucking that note and that note, or that note and that note if you're playing that. All right, and then work with a metronome, start it nice and slow, about 50, 60 beats per minute. Make sure you're playing these notes all the same length. You're not playing you want it you want them all the same length. If you think of the ending of the solo to Stairway to Heaven, this is all Jimmy Page is playing. He's playing it an octave higher up here, and he's playing it fast. So that's one example of where you can use these triplets. It's a great way just to spice up a bland solo where you're just staying in one box. Obviously, once you've got that to a good level, then you can start using it in your other pentatonic boxes, like here, shape 5, up here, shape 2, or shape 3, shape 4. And then once you've got those shapes sorted out on strings 1 and 2, try playing on strings 2 and 3. Right, muting wise, I'm using the side of my thumb here to mute the lower strings, combined with the edge of my palm. And I'm also muting with this finger. I'm just lifting it off. Just to mute that when I play that note on the second string. Because we don't want to be hearing all those other strings ringing out. So the muting is probably the hardest part, but give it a go. Triple, 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 triple. Use a bit of palm muting as well. You get the idea. You can use these to spice up. Like that. You can use it very, very easily once you've got it up to speed. Just make sure that you're counting these notes evenly. That's triplets. So that's how you can use triplets to spice up a minor pentatonic solo, a simple one, when you're just getting into soloing. It's a great little trick. It just makes it appear like you can play much faster than maybe you actually can. If you get the timing right, you can make it sound really cool. So anyway, quick lesson, that's all from me today. I'll be back with another one next week for you, hopefully. Until then, look after yourselves. Take care. Bye for now.